nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and we came to slay. What's up, everybody? So first of all, before we even get into this wig video, I hope y'all are all having like a really great day, and I thank y'all very much for stopping through, hanging out with your girl, showing love and support, because you could have been doing anything else, but you're here, so I appreciate you all. And I hope y'all all are having like a beautiful, blessed day, mindful, positive, motivated, minding your business, you know, that type of day. But we can all mind my business right now. Okay. So I know y'all heard of this wig company before. I've worked with them many times, which is HerGivenHair, girl, because they really do care. They specialize in natural texture hair, coily curls, yucky texture. Girl, listen, y'all already know I love me a good wig, okay? If you're gonna wear a wig, do it big. You know how you just trust a company? Like, you really trust people. So that way you don't have to second guess them. Girl, I had this package for like, I want to say like 5-6 days now, maybe a week, and I have yet to open it, but I already know that once I open it, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be ready to wear. So I figured, just look, we're going to just open it together. We're going to open it together. I'm going to take it out. It's plastic, and we're going to open it together. Okay, so your unit always comes in a brown box like this. Inside of this, you're gonna have more packaging. It's also gonna have foam over it like this. Every last wig I've gotten from HerGivenHair always is packaged so nicely and just represented so well. Really nice packaging. I need like one of those moments when the lights just like hit. Like, that's what I need for when I'm opening this. And automatically already, before I even take the wig out, I do see that it comes with some combs and an adjustable elastic removable band and some tape as well. So let's dig into this. Really pretty. The texture is 3B to 3C. So I got something that mimicked my own hair. It also does have a lot of security inside. First, let's start off with, it's already been bleached and thinned out for you. So there's really nothing you need to do but just remove the lace. And I like to remove the lace on my own, to be honest. You also do have some removable combs on the side. They attach and detach with Velcro. So that's a plus. So if you don't want it on your temples, you can easily remove them. You also have an adjustable strap in the nape area and another comb, which is also removable. The best, the drawstring, girl. Because listen, for those of you ladies who love for your wig to sit tight, you're going to have a drawstring, and inside you're also going to receive a removable elastic adjustable band as well. So you have so much security with this unit, which is a plus. All I'm going to do is just use the hooks and the drawstring. She is 16 inches in length, and she is a 3B to 3C coily texture, Swiss lace, Swiss invisible lace. Girl, listen, we're about to look extra natural and cute. So let's just get into this.
Girl, I see that you want it. Driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. Oh, well, I try to ignore it. Part of me wants to see you read between the lines. And all of the back and forth of signals intertwine. Baby, won't you take your time with love me, love me. Your heart be falling right into mine. I don't want the rush to get the best of me, best of me. Just know that's all I'm asking for. Don't you call me Casanova? I can see you falling slowly. I'm just trying to get to know ya. We can take your time, come and show me. Love is in the air, aroma. I don't wanna try to make you mine. Don't you call me Casanova? Just want you to love me.
Want this? Isn't it crazy how the stars have fallen aligned? Oh, yeah. But can I be honest? I'm so afraid to fall too deep or float too high. Cause all of this chemistry, it caught me by surprise. Baby, won't you take your time with love me, love me. I promise, boy, that we'll be alright. want you more and more.
Don't you call me Casanova. You see the falling slowly. I'm just trying to get to know ya. We can take the time, come and show me. Never send the air aroma. I don't wanna try to make you mine. Don't you call me Casanova. Just want you to love me. I want you standing right here next to me. No other way, that's how it's supposed to be. We've been going overtime, I'm hoping I'ma leave all the doors wide open, oh yeah. But you wanna turn and walk away, go talk to me. That's all I wanna know. Don't you call me Casanova. I'll give you the promise of your life. Just trying to get to know ya. I can give you the word, I can give you the word. Send the air aroma. Cause I don't wanna have to watch you go. Don't you call me Casanova. Just want you to love me. Don't fuck, no, you're fine. I can see you falling slowly. Don't fuck, just give it up. You can take our time, come and show me. Don't fuck, no, you're fine. I don't wanna try to make you mine. Don't fuck, just give it up. Just want you to love me.
Okay, y'all, she came out cute. Okay, I was not expecting this. I couldn't really honestly remember what she looked like when I first looked at her, but she came out extra cute. So what you see me doing with my finger coils, that's how I do my natural hair as well. My hair is like on the 3B side, so that's why I wanted something that was closer to my own curl pattern, so that way I can manipulate the curl the way that I wear it. However, my hair is nowhere near this full. I wish it was, girl. I wish it was, because Lord knows I would definitely be out there outside. Okay, but look at her. She is so pretty, very natural looking. I love the fact that the hairline is thinned out, so you didn't see me doing any tweezing, no plucking, no pulling. And because she's curly, I just put this part down. I didn't want to do like a full swoop. I just wanted the curliness to stay at the ends and just kind of like give myself some sideburns, because y'all know I need the sideburns. This came out so cute. Y'all know I like to have my hair more or less tucked behind my ear, so I just used a clip, but it still looks good if it was all down in your face. It just depends on how you want to style her. Because it's so hot outside, I would probably leave just a little bit pushed back, but the cap fits so nice, okay? And I love the fullness. Like, this really, really did come out super cute. If you are into natural hair, if you're looking for something that is going to match your hair coils, match your energy, you definitely want to check out HerGivenHair. Good lace, invisible Swiss, undetectable lace, girl. Y'all see I had to get up real close on the mirror so that way I didn't cut into the wig, because the lace is that good. But y'all know what I be saying. If you're going to wear a wig, girl, do it big, okay? If you're going to wear a wig, do it big. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious. If you stay to the end of this video and you enjoyed it, leave me a black heart. As well as that, please share and hype this video up. Hit that hype button right next to the share, so that way we all could be in the algorithm and more people can join our diva and divo family. Because honey, listen, we over here is the cool kids. Okay, I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Like and subscribe. Mwah.